This is Mr. M, where my goal is to make math visible. All right, this is another problem from geometry or for the SAT that is it's considered a hard question, but it really is not that bad. You have to remember supplementary angles and then also the triangle sum theorem, the idea that all three angles in the triangle add up to 180. So these two angles right here form a straight line. If this angle is 106, you can do 180 minus 106 to get 74 for this angle here. Let me focus that. All right, so then now let's find this third angle in the triangle. You can actually do two things. You can actually use the exterior angle theorem again, where these two angles right here will add up to give you this exterior angle. Or let's say if you don't see that, you can add these up, get the sums. What is that? 97. Subtract from 180, and that gives you what's that going to be? 83. And then use the fact that these two are supplementary, meaning they add up to give you 180 to get your answer. The answer is going to be 97. You want to review the exterior angle theorem. I call it the EAT theorem. Exterior angle theorem is the idea that this angle here and this angle add up to give you this